What an unfortunate red day. Hey, fellow traders, it's Black Coffee Trader. It is Wednesday, July the 16th. Had a unfortunate red day today. Took 3 trades, all 3 losers. Yeah, just a difficult day. 690 was the loss today. 3 losing trades, averaged 115. Turned the month to red. Not a huge red day, but definitely kind of a disappointing red day. The most disappointing thing really was because of this trade this morning, which was absolutely, I missed a huge opportunity here. I was looking for this rejection of the 44,440s on the Dow Jones. Got it. Took the short. Was looking to take 3 contracts off to the next level and hold a runner. And I'd simply set my stop too tight. I have a nasty habit of doing this, but I set my stop way too tight. Got stopped out, and then the move occurred, and that really cost me a very, very, very nice day. And you can see right here on the Dow Jones, here's that trade, here's the entry, got stopped out, the move occurred, would have got those 3 contracts off, chopped around, and the full flush occurred. So very disappointing. I had the call right, I had the trade right, had everything right, market everything except for that stupid stop loss. Had I left it about even 2 or 3 points higher, I would have been fine. So that's a little bit frustrating. Took another FOMO short after that. Just not a good setup. That was a losing trade, and then I took another losing trade here on the NASDAQ, a break and retest of this 23,000 area that simply just didn't work, and we had this nasty volatility. Then whatever this news was, I'm not even sure what it was, and we just kind of had a crazy day after that. So, but really the story for me was just this morning, just boom, 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 3 losing trades and 3 strikes, and I was out. So again, that's my rule. If I lose 3 times, I'm out. And I was definitely adhering to that. But again, the tough one was having this call correct, having this correct on the trade plan, and then just simply getting stopped out because I was too cautious on my stop loss. So there you have it. That was the day, unfortunately. The other thing that was extremely unfortunate is I lost all of my evals. I have had some evals, about 13 or 14 of them for a few weeks, and not doing so well on them. And when we had this move occurring, this choppy push up, I was looking at this low of day from yesterday, and I said, I'm going to go in with my eval accounts on minis and short it if we get a rejection. And we got a rejection. I took the short, and I have never seen this before, but the fill occurred all the way down here on NinjaTrader. The price wasn't even remotely close to this. I got filled about 30 points below where the current price was at. It filled me. We finally got to price, but it pushed back up. Like when the fill occurred, I was already down. Like the accounts were blown essentially. So I don't know how it filled it there. I have no idea. I've never seen it that way. Never seen that happen before. But we got to that level finally, but pushed all the way back up before we continued down, and that blew up the account. So I lost all my evals, which is very unfortunate. I'm very, very glad it wasn't a funded account. I would have been super, super upset if I would have gotten that kind of a slippage. 30 some points, not ticks, but points on the NASDAQ is not something that you can hold on to, especially if you've got any size. I don't even remember how many contracts I had. Maybe 4, probably 4, I'm assuming 4. It was something like that. But I wish I would have been recording. I was not recording that trade. I wish I would have been, because I have just never seen that before. I mean, I hit sell market order, and price was sitting right up here, and it fills me down here, and we weren't even there yet. It was crazy. So that was kind of the final straw for me today. So anyway, I'm going to leave you with that short and sweet update. But unfortunately, red day and blew up all the evals on some absolute horrendously bad slippage here on the NASDAQ. So be it. All right, I'll leave you with that. It was a rough day, but tomorrow's a new one, and we'll be back at it. Take care. Till next time. So long.